Okay, we have scrubbed and removed all the dead skin. The second step is to take a moist towel. Of course, if we were in our shower, we would just be in our shower at home. But for the sake of Carrie's spa treatment today, we are going to gently rub it with a warm cloth to remove the scrub. Now, we have prepped the skin for the third step, and that is moisturizing. So we are taking our Spa Deluxe Body Cream, and ladies, if you love coconut and jojoba oil and the smell, this is one of the best smelling lotions. And Beauticontrol Spa Deluxe is one of my favorite lines ever from any spa or skincare company. Does that feel good, Carrie?
Yes.
Very good. And also, we're going to be making a video about the bath oil, and we're going to talk about how to have a spa bath. That's just a hint about what's coming up. If you guys have any questions, just log on to the website at kimsbeautybiz.com. And thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and comment below. And give me some ideas for content, things you guys might want to see. Till next time. Bye.